Hey there, Justin from Blaze. Today I'm going to show you how to control cross-posting in Autopilot to get your posts onto more platforms in less time. Cross-posting lets you publish a single post to multiple platforms. Let me show you how to configure it. Start by jumping into your brand plan by locating it in the sidebar. Next, locate the Next Week's Plan section and then click Edit Topics. At the top of the screen, notice the cross-post section. If you didn't enable this during the onboarding process, you should really consider it. Here, you can set how many posts you'd like to cross-post per week. You can also manage what platforms you want to automatically cross-post to. Once you make your changes to your cross-post settings, make sure you save those changes. You can save your changes to just this week or save as default. Just this week does what it says. It changes the upcoming week's plan only. Save as default will carry these settings over to future plans as well. Now jump over to the calendar view. If your cross-posting was previously enabled on the week's plan, you'll see posts on your calendar with multiple platform icons. Cross-posting is enabled for these posts. Click on one to open it up. In the preview window, you can see your cross-posting settings on the bottom right side of the screen. Here, you can toggle platforms on or off and adjust the scheduled date and time for your post to go live. Let's jump back to the calendar for a second. If you just enabled cross-posting, meaning it was disabled on your plan when you started this video, you won't see cross-posts on your calendar just yet. You'd need to wait for next week's content to generate. But don't worry, you can still enable cross-posts on most of the social media content on your calendar. Simply select a social media post that you want to enable cross-posting with. I'm going to go ahead and select this LinkedIn post on my screen. To share this post with more platforms, I just need to simply toggle the switches. Notice though, I'm not able to share on X due to the caption length. If you wanted to share on X, all you would need to do is reduce the caption length down by clicking Captions in the Edit category. Make your changes to the caption length, then save it. Now you can enable X as well. When it comes to the scheduled date and time, this post will be shared on all of the enabled platforms in addition to LinkedIn. Okay, so now you know all of the ins and outs about cross-posting to save even more time as a small business owner. If this video helped you, give it a like. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all the ways that Blaze can help you grow your business.